Hi there, I'm Melissa Galbraith and I'm the fiber artist behind MCreativeJ. Today I'm going to show you how to create the heavy chain. This is similar to the chain stitch, but it's a little thicker of a line that we're creating, and it's made more like the reverse chain stitch. So how do we do this? We start by making a short anchor stitch at the beginning of our line. So come on up and go back just a short ways, like so. I always like to think of this as the clasp in my bracelet chain. Next, we leave a space for our first link. So we come on up, slide our needle underneath that little anchor stitch we made there, pull through, and we go back down in the same spot to close up our link. Then we leave a short space away, and we're going to now make our link heavy. So we slide our needle underneath that anchor stitch again, pull through, and again, go back down in the same spot. Now we'll add our next link. So we leave another space here, and we slide our needle underneath both strands of those links. Pull through and go back down, same spot again, closing up that link. Now we add our next link. So we leave a short little space, and we want to grab the links in between those two here. So you're always going back 2 links. So I now have this link and this link here. So I want to find the space 2 links back, slide underneath. Oh, don't catch your thread on your hoop hardware. And we go back down in the same spot. Then we come up again to add our next link, and we find 2 links back, slide our needle underneath, pull it through, and we go back down like so. And that is our heavy chain stitch.